how to download your Citibank credit card bill. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want a copy of your Citibank credit card bill, well here is how to download it step by step from your desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Citibank. And now here on the search result you can just click on the first link and after that it'll be prompted to the official website of the Citibank. Now here you simply have to log in with your account, and once logged in you can just click on credit card account to open the details, and there in the account menu you can just click on statements or view statements, and after that you simply have to choose the statement month you want, and there you can just click on download PDF to save your credit card bill to your computer. And that's it. That's how you can download your Citibank credit card bill on desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.